Hello, let me show you how you can try to clean your USB port on your Poco C75, especially when you cannot fully apply cable inside the port. So as you can see in my case, I cannot actually put it inside and I cannot charge my phone. And you can use any household items, but of course it's actually recommended to use some kind of the plastic or wooden materials. In my case, I'm using needle, but it's not recommended to apply any metal parts inside your port. Before you start, I will recommend you to switch off your phone, wait for a couple of the seconds, and now take a look. That's how it actually looks in my case. Some pieces of the dust, a lot of mess right here. So what you have to do is just to gently apply thin item inside the port and try to swipe into one of the side. Then do this for the second side and gently try to remove anything that is inside. Now you can grab this part with your fingers, take it off and simply repeat until you remove everything from the port. There we go. Now do this again. And as you can see, looks like it is finished right now. And yeah, right now we can apply cable right here. So that will be all. That's how we can do this. And thanks for watching.